What's up, guys? Today I'm going to share with you 5 quick things that I think you should know before going into trading. Okay, so knowing these 5 things will not only set you in the right path, but prepare you for what's to come and how your expectations should be. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get right into it. First and foremost, the number one thing you need to know is it's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, you are not going to make money. No, 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 no. If you put 100k, if you put 200k, you're not going to make money. No, no, no. In fact, you are going to expect more losses than wins. Okay, you're going to see more losses than wins when you first come into this industry. So cut your expectation short. Cut all those, I'm going to buy GLE, I'm going to buy a car next week or this month as I get into trading. So cut all those expectation short. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I used to have that type of mentality and all that, but it didn't work out for me. In fact, I took more losses before I start seeing little profits rolling in now. Okay, so get that out of your mind. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, the second most important thing is it's not about trading all day. Now, what do I mean by that? Because it's called day trading doesn't mean you should sit on your charts and try take a trade all day or force trades all day. That's how you end up losing, and that's how you end up losing your money. Okay, so it's not about trading all day. Okay, so I hope you understand that. All right. So the third most important thing is your small wins add up. Okay. What do I mean by that? When I started, I thought you need this also to make this also amount to grow your account. Okay. You need to make this also amount to grow your account, but turns out that it was the small and consistent wins that add up. Okay. So that's $10 I'm making per day. If you calculate it all in a week, it's $50. In 2 weeks, is 100. So those things add up. You don't need to hit a jackpot like trying to make 10,000 now or trying to make $100,000. No, 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 no. Those small builds, those small account builds add up as what makes trading fun and makes trading. Hope you get. Okay, so the fourth most important thing here is time consuming and emotionally demanding. Okay, what do I mean by it's time consuming? It's time consuming in the sense that you need to put in time in the charts, like trying to understand the way the charts move and what to anticipate. Okay, you need to put in time to understand those things. It's going to take you a lot of time to understand it. You can't just learn everything in a day. Okay, even if they give you a strategy that okay, use this strategy quickly, you're going to make money. No, you won't make money instantly. So it's going to take time. It's time consuming. Okay, and emotionally demanding in what sense? Emotionally demanding in what sense that it's going to teach you a lot about yourself. Okay, it's going to teach you a lot about yourself. You're going to get to know the type of person you are. Okay, so you're going to get to know if you're a risk taker or you are risk conservative, or it's going to teach you more about yourself than the charts eventually, your psychology and all. Okay, so it's emotionally demanding. Okay, so the fifth and most important thing here in trading is strategy hopping. So what I mean by strategy hopping is trying to trade multiple strategy at once. You see a lot of strategy out there and you'll be compelled, trust me, you'll be compelled to try and trade all of them. But just know that you're only setting yourself up for failure. Okay? You set yourself up for failure, you're going to fail drastically and you're going to lose a lot of money. In fact, you'll lose yourself. Instead, what you should do is try and learn the way the market moves and create your own strategy. Okay, try and learn the way the market moves, the circle in which the market moves, and create your own plan and strategy. Trust me, that will help you a lot instead of trying to trade all the strategies you work online. I'm not saying that they don't all the strategies you see online. I mean, I'm not saying that they don't work. Yes, they work, but it might not be for you because the person who found the strategy knows how it works. So it might not be for you. You might be trading it and be seeing else losses. So instead, understand the way the markets move, the market mechanics, and all that, and create your own plan and strategy. Trust me, that will help you. And if trying to create a strategy is stressful, You can find someone genuine to learn from. Okay, just find someone genuine to learn from, someone that knows what he's doing, someone that has a working strategy that when he breaks it down for you, okay, you understand and it makes sense. Not those you just see online and copy and start trying to use it. Okay, so find someone genuine to learn from. That will help you. If you're new to trading or already trading, I have a community in which I would like you to join. Okay, so I want you to join this community so we can share knowledge, share trades, share ideas, and know how we can help each other. Okay, so the link is in the description box below. Click the link, join, and I'll see you inside. Thank you. Peace out.